Daddy, go in it.
I'm gonna. You gotta give me a second. I gotta get set up for the show.
Mommy's in it.
Mommy's in it. Would you like a drink for your show?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna start the first ever Yoham puppet show with Mommy and Daddy being in the show. Now, come on, Mommy. What would you like from for a story?
What's the Angry Bird story?
Angry Bird story? Okay. And who did the Angry Birds meet?
A big bear friend.
A big bear friend? Is that bear friend? I'll have to get that one. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll get an audience volunteer.
You don't need a narrator that asks for.
Yes, that's true.
Input.
Okay.
Here you go.
Yeah, we'll figure that out. Well, yeah, you leave that there. We'll figure this out.
And we're doing special puppet theater tonight, so there's no iPad.
No iPad or no books. It's just puppet theater stuff.
This is the entertainment for the evening.
Mm-hmm. Just so you know. Okay.
So what do you do?
We don't know.
And there's a special guest. Yeah, this is what's called improv, Yogi. And Mommy and Daddy haven't improvised together in a long time, so we'll see how we do.
So what do you do?
All right. So we got some. Hold on.
Hello, everybody. My name is Tommy the Tortoise, and I will be bringing a special show for you today. It will include the activities of Angry Birds, Bear, Lion, Crocodile, and Penguins. But first, we need from you the name of the story. This story is about the angry bird who went. Where did the angry bird go?
Where'd the Angry Bird go?
I don't know.
Well, wait, where'd the place you like to go?
Canada.
Angry Bird went to Canada. Okay.
Thank you very much, audience member. We bring you now the angry bird who went to Canada.
Hello, I'm Icy Angry Bird, and I want to travel to Canada, but I don't know where Canada is.
Hey, Icy Angry Bird.
Yes,
Come over here. This is Canada over here.
Hello, Space Angry Bird. Are you in Canada?
I am. I'm red, and just like Canada.
No, Dad. No, puppets. You are in space.
Oh, you know what? I am in space sometimes. Here, watch. I'm going to go in space.
Wow.
I'm in space.
Wow, that is pretty darn cool, I must say.
Would you like to join me in space?
I can try. I don't think I have the skill. I bounce a little off the edge, but what magic do you need to encounter?
Well, you have to be helped by a friendly lion. Hold on, I'll get him.
Okay, I'll keep trying to fly.
Okay, here it comes. Hello, I'm Friendly Lion. Hello, audience. Hello, Angry Bird. I helped this Angry Bird this Icy Angry Bird get to space. Watch, I go underneath. I go, whoo, and there he's up in space.
Oh, how about trying that with me, eh?
Okay,
I kind of like to learn how to fly. Watch it, I got a sore bum there. Okay.
3. Did
Did
it not work
that
this
didn't
time?
work too much.
Oh, I don't know what happened. I don't know why I went wrong. I don't know either.
I think I must be a little denser than Icy.
I said something.
What is that, Mr. Audience? What would you suggest we do?
There's an angry bird in there too.
There's an Angry Bird in there too?
I'll show you.
Which one?
The yellow one.
The little yellow one?
Look.
Oh, okay. Maybe what I should do is get my friend, the other Angry Bird, and he will help us. Hold on.
Hi, I'm Speedy. I'm Speedy Fast. I'm so fast. I'm fast.
Speedy, nice to see you. We're having trouble getting Red Angry Bird up to space with Icy Angry Bird.
Yeah, I'm kind of dense and I can't fly, and I'd really like to fly.
Hey, I have an idea. You can't fly, so you knock the piggies over.
Oh,
yeah, I'm fast. I can knock the piggies over fast. Okay, what? I'll fly right past you
Oh. It fell all the way down somewhere. Sorry, buddy. I'm interrupting the show for a second.
Well, that fell down a bit.
It did.
Yeah.
Well,
We will wait.
We're on intermission.
Back to continue with this.
Okay,
incredible
but
story.
you have to be careful so you don't.
Okay, continuing with the story. We'll leave that there, okay? Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put something there so it doesn't fall backwards. Okay. Alright, and back to... Sorry, Mommy. For the interruption. We have so broken the fourth wall.
We return with this engaging tale of trying to get the Angry Bird to fly.
And now I'm in space, and I'm waiting to see what happens.
I'm Speedy. I'll go right by you really quick, and then the vortex will make you jump in the air and fly.
Wow.
Okay, you try it.
I want to see that.
Ready?
You hit the piggies too.
Yeah, I like to hit the pigs. Okay.
Alright, let's join me up in
Ready?
space, and we can hit lots of piggies.
I'm Speedy. 1, 2.
2. Whoa, wow, he's up in space with me.
There.
Yay! Yay! Nice to see you up in space above Canada.
Well,
Yay!
I'm
This is
showing you.
fun.
I'm doing monkey too. Ah!
Oh, hello, crocodile. How are you?
God.
Nice to see you.
Ah!
Oh, are you trying to scare us all?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, are you gonna go sit back in the audience, Yogi?
Yeah.
And everyone,
Bless you.
thank you, and we bow. And scene.
Yeah.
Yay! Now,
You forgot owl.
hold on. Where's our? We gotta get our narrator back. We have another show.
Oh.
Well, hello, young man. Did you enjoy the tale of the Angry Birds trying to fly?
Yeah.
Can we give some round of applause?
Yeah.
Clap your hand. Very good, very good. All
Well,
right.
total.
All right, young man. For your next show, we would like
I've got some. See there.
We have props now.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for the props. We have been given props by the audience in this.
The scene will involve a boat and an airplane. I know, but he thinks it's a boat.
Okay, all right. Well, all right, good. And where should this be set?
Wait,
And
wait.
what
wait.
characters will be involved in this show?
Here you go. Here's another thing.
Oh, we need a blanket. Thank
So-
you.
Oh, you don't fall off of the edge.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you, Johan, for your concern
This is
for
very
our
good
actors.
audience participation.
So,
Who do you want in this one?
owl and angry bird and angry bird and try to find a pipe, but it's down there.
Okay, we will surprise you with the plot line.
Owl and Angry Bird. Trying to find the park. Okay.
Okay, we bring you the Angry Birds trying to find the park. Yay! Whoop, whoop. Hello. Does anybody know where the park is?
Ooh, I like the park. Ooh,
It's down there.
it's down there.
Look.
Oh, there's the park. How could I have missed it all this time?
Well, what's my turn to be in my picture?
I would like to sail my boat. Ooh,
That's a pretty funky boat.
ooh.
You know who's good at boats?
Who's good at boats? Who?
I am. I'm the best at sailing a boat.
Wow.
Well,
Remarkably like a
well,
iron.
I got a big boat to sail on. So, you want to cross it before you get off? So you don't fall down.
Oh, thank you for putting the camera back, yo. Thank you. Do you need some help?
Yeah.
Wait, you watch your show. I'll fix the camera. Don't worry. I'll fix the camera.
Look at that funky park down there, eh? There's a
Wait,
boat.
go. You want to go downstairs?
No. You're in the show. We gotta sit and watch the show.
Wait. There's one red bird just like you.
Oh well. We'll figure that out later, Yogi. We're still doing this one.
I don't need the competition, eh? See what I'm saying?
Who would you like to drive my boat? Who?
Yes, I'm a good boat driver.
Oh no!
To the bird.
Audience member, can you help us? Thank you.
It's harder than it looks. I'm here all week.
Ooh.
There, that's right. I wasn't using my beak. That's
There
right.
you go. That's very nice. Boat driving. Ooh.
Row.
Do you like to have a boat, or do you have something else you like to use?
Well, I personally like to fly in the air.
Wait.
Fly in the air.
Wait. Here you go.
Ooh.
Here goes light.
Oh, there, thank you. That's my mode of transportation. I like the airplanes. I do.
I like this. Ooh, being in the park. Ooh.
Wait.
Ooh.
No, you're from Greece, so.
Ooh. Oh, thank you.
Oh, refreshments are
Ooh,
very
thank you.
welcomed. Thank you.
Thank you. Ooh. What a nice person.
Well, I certainly have enjoyed this day at the
Ooh,
park
this
with
is
our
the
boat
nicest-
and our airplane.
Ooh.
And now I'm going to be a Muppet Joe.
Ooh. Wait, we
We gotta have our bow.
gotta end the show. Can you go
Okay.
sit back in your thing? We gotta bow.
Here you go.
Ooh.
That is the end of our day in the park show.
Thank you. Ooh, scene. Ooh.
That's my turn.
It's your turn.
Yeah.
Well,
So we have to go and be the audience, and you'll be the Muppets?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, you know what?
We got a surprise Muppet. Who's that one?
Wow.
Look at this one. Hello. How are you?
Good.
Mwah, I'm a giraffe.
That's my turn.
Okay, there you go. All right, Mommy, I guess we gotta go watch. Or Yogi does the Muppet Show.
No, I need
Mommy and Daddy are gonna go watch.
Okay.
Okay.
to find
This is a fun idea. Oh, hello, kitty.
I wonder what this show is about.
It's just when Angry Birds go to Ladle. Hello.
Oh, hello, Angry Bird.
Hello.
Oh, there's two Angry Birds.
Hello.
Yeah.
I hit the pigs off flying really fast.
Whoa,
I'm really fast.
you guys fly so fast.
So. Okay.
Get the idea. Who's coming next? Oh, it's Kitty. Hello, Kitty. Oh. Does Kitty have a friend? Who's this guy? Oh, hello, porcupine.
It's always going to be Owl. Owl, too.
Oh, is Owl coming too? I'd like to see Owl. Oh, hello, porcupine and Owl.
Hello, my name is Porcupine. Here it goes. Boo.
Oh, and Angry Birds are back. They're so fast.
Do they need drinks?
Do they need a drink of water?
Dum, 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 dum. Dum, 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 dum.
I like to go flying.
Oh, I like to fly in an airplane too, Angry Birds.
That's your turn.
Is it our turn? Okay.
So I think this is the last one.
This might be the last show. We only do 3 scenes or 4 scenes a night.
Here's
Oh, do you want that one on this next show?
Angry Bird. One for you.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll do it.
And here's one for you.
Thank you.
And here's one for you. Ken.
Thank you. Okay.
One for you. Ken.
Thank you. You get in your seat. Oh, with that turn, are you going to introduce it?
Well, it's come for the time of the show, and we have our grand finale. Yay! And this show will
Wait.
be...
Wait, Total. So do you like go to monkey feeder?
The monkey feeder? Well, this final scene will
No, the
involve
monkey feeder Angry Birds.
the monkey feeder and Angry Birds. Let's hear it for the
And
trip.
when you hit the piggy's over, you have to bell when you come back to when the Angry Birds come back to me.
Well, okay. Thank you for being such a wonderful audience on this, the first inaugural Puppet Theater show.
Of Yogi's Room Theater. What was that suggestion?
Monkey feeder.
Yeah, Monkey Feeder, Angry Bird. I'm a fast angry bird.
Great Angry Bird, you're going to the monkey feeder.
I'm waiting for the monkey feeder. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom.
Oh, I'm
Zoom, zoom,
hungry.
zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh, who's that?
I'm hungry.
Hello? I'm the fast angry bird. Zoom, 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 zoom. What's your name?